Alright, something that's been bugging me for a minute with this. I want to see if there's something dead in my I don't know if you can hear that. Minor vibration, not too bad, but I'm thinking there's something in there. So I'm gonna pull it apart. See what happens. So it's gotta come off. Oh, come on. And right there. I think they're 7s. Actually, they're smaller than 7s. But I'm gonna pause it and get the right stuff. Okay, got them all out. Huh. Okay. I guess it's just out of balance. Not what I was expecting. Happy though. Huh. I guess it's just out of balance. Okay. Refilling this part of the wasn't recording when I did it. So it actually made a difference. Doesn't matter which one that's on, but it's still there, but it is less. I'm surprised that that little bit of debris did that. I still believe that this thing is just still out of balance, and that motor's just, crap. If I really wanted to, I would just replace it or try to figure out if there's a way to balance it, but I don't care about it. It's definitely a lot quieter, which I'm actually surprised. I didn't expect it to be any quieter, but another day in the life of this Chevy Express van.